In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task tracker in Notion, tailored specifically for beginners. Notion is a fantastic tool that can help you organize your tasks, projects, and much more with ease. So if you're ready to dive in and set up a simple yet effective task management system, let's get started. First, you'll want to open a new page in Notion. This will serve as the home base for your task tracker. To do this, navigate to your Notion dashboard and find the option to add a new page, usually located on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking this creates a blank canvas where you can set up your task tracker. It's like a blank slate where the only limit is your imagination. You can name this page something straightforward like Task Tracker to easily find it later. Next, it's time to add some structure by inserting either a board or a table database. Both offer unique ways to organize your tasks. A board gives you a Kanban-style view, allowing you to visualize tasks moving through different stages. On the other hand, a table database offers a more spreadsheet-like view, which is perfect for those who enjoy seeing detailed information at a glance. Decide which layout suits your needs best, and create the database on your new page. After setting up your preferred database, it's crucial to add relevant properties to each task or entry. The most common properties you might want to include are status and due date. These fields help you keep track of how tasks are progressing and ensure you meet deadlines efficiently. Adding these properties is simple. In your board or table, you can usually find an option to add new fields or columns. Name one status and decide on the categories you want, like to do, in progress, and completed. Similarly, set a due date property to keep your deadlines visible and easily accessible. Finally, the magic of this task tracker comes to life as you start tracking your progress by moving tasks through different stages. If you've opted for a board view, this is where you can drag and drop tasks between columns reflecting their current status, such as from in progress to completed. This drag and drop simplicity keeps everything dynamic, providing a visual snapshot of what's on your plate at any given moment. In a table view, you can achieve similar results by updating the status property directly on the task entry. There you have it, a simple yet powerful task tracker in Notion. By following these steps, you've laid the groundwork for enhanced productivity and organization. As you continue to use this tracker, feel free to tweak and customize it to better suit your evolving needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task tracking.